Welcome to this guided tutorial on how to change your WordPress homepage in just 5 minutes. In this walkthrough, you will learn the complete process from logging into your WordPress account with your Google credentials to setting a custom homepage. We begin by directing you to open your browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once there, locate the login option, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. Selecting this option will prompt the login interface where you can easily sign in. After clicking on the login option, you will be presented with several ways to access your account. For this tutorial, you will choose the method that allows you to continue using your Google account. By clicking on the button that invites you to continue with Google, the system redirects you to select the appropriate account. Now, among your various Google logins, choose the one that is associated with your WordPress account. Doing so verifies your identity and grants you access into the backend of your website. Once you are successfully logged in, it is time to adjust your site settings. Begin by navigating to the settings area. This can be easily done by accessing the options provided in the site dashboard. When you are in the settings section, look for the option labeled reading. This section contains many configurations that control how your site appears to visitors. By selecting reading, you access the part of the control panel where you can define what your visitors see when they first access your website. In the reading settings area, you will find various options for configuring your homepage. For this tutorial, you need to locate and select the option that is labeled a static page. This option specifies that you want to use a particular page as your homepage rather than a dynamic list of recent posts. Once you have chosen this option, a drop-down menu will appear that lets you select from the list of existing pages on your site. Among these pages, choose the one that you intend to set as your homepage. It is important to review all available pages and select the one that best represents the core content you wish your visitors to see first. After you have made your selection for the homepage, the final step is to save your changes so that all adjustments become active. Scroll down to the bottom of the reading settings page where you will find the Save Changes button. Click on this button and your website's homepage will now be updated to reflect the page you just selected. This simple process ensures that your site visitors are greeted with the custom content of your choice every time they visit your website. This tutorial, originally created by a WordPress enthusiast on March 21st, 2025, is now ready to assist you in making your website uniquely yours. For more information and additional guides, you can visit the primary domains, such as Double and WordPress. Enjoy the improved look and feel of your site, knowing that your homepage now perfectly represents your vision for your website.